Hello and welcome to week 7 of biotechnology. This is our last week of the term, and we are going to apply what we've learned so far to an industrial setting. We're going to see how the principles of biotechnology fit when we look at household products or construction or other industrial applications. The essential questions for this week are: how do biofuels contribute to our energy supply? How beneficial are biofuels as an alternative energy source? How can we explain the use of synthetically modified products for human use? What are other applications of biotechnology? And finally, how can we promote a biotechnology mindset? In the live session this week, we're going to look towards the future of biotechnology, at both the skills needed to be a successful scientist within that field, or a successful innovator within that field, and then also how you've developed those skills within this course. We're going to take some of the time of the session to present our projects from the biotechnology evaluation paper. The assignments this week include working as a group to analyze the use of synthetically modified products, learning about the use of protein in industry, participating in discussions about the use of biofuels as an alternative energy source, and finally completing our biotechnology evaluation papers. Please use the weekly agenda or pacing guide to help you work throughout the week. Use the weekly checklist to make sure you've completed all of your deliverables, and email me with any questions or concerns as you finish out the term. Thanks for a great 7 weeks, and I look forward to working with you in our last couple of days.